Welcome to our exploration of Runway Gen 3. This cutting-edge technology is poised to redefine the Hollywood landscape. Runway Gen 3 introduces a suite of features that enhance creativity and simplify processes. Let's dive into what's changed. AI tech is revolutionizing how we approach film production, making it faster and more efficient than ever before. So, how does it stack up against previous versions? Let's look at the enhancements that set Gen 3 apart. Several recent films have already embraced Gen 3, leading to groundbreaking storytelling and visual effects. Let's hear from those who are at the forefront of this technological shift, filmmakers and creators themselves. With great power comes great responsibility. We need to address the challenges and ethical considerations that arise. Beyond production, Gen 3 is poised to influence storytelling in ways we've yet to fully comprehend. As we look to the future, what does the landscape of AI in Hollywood hold in store? Let's speculate together. In conclusion, Runway Gen 3 represents a significant leap forward for Hollywood that will undoubtedly resonate with audiences worldwide.